Okay, so today we're going to be discussing the general characteristics of the alimentary canal and how the contents are mixed and moved. So let's go ahead and discuss the alimentary canal in general. The alimentary canal is a muscular tube that's about 8 meters long, and it extends from the mouth to the anus. It has accessory organs that release substances that are used in digestion into the canal. And it includes your mouth, your pharynx, your esophagus, your stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anal canal. So if you look to the picture on the right here, it just shows you how long it is and where everything is located. The same thing with the photo on the left. It tells you the alimentary canal, what's included, and then its accessory organs, such as the liver, the gallbladder, your pancreas, and your salivary glands. Now, the alimentary canal has 4 distinct layers. You have your mucosa, which is for protection, secretion, and absorption. It is composed of epithelium, connective tissue, and smooth muscle. You have your submucosa, which nourishes surrounding tissues, transports absorbed materials, and that's composed of loose connective tissue, blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, and nerves. Then we have your muscularis, which its function is for the movements of the tube and its contents, and that's composed of smooth muscle cells in circular and longitudinal groups. And lastly, you have your serosa layer, and its function is to protect and provide lubrication, and it's composed of epithelium, connective tissue. Now, we're going to go ahead and discuss the 2 basic functions of the alimentary canal. So the 2 basic functions are you have your mixing movement and you have your propelling movement. So your mixing movement is when the smooth muscle and the small segments of the tube contracts rhythmically. They do not move the material in one direction, and a good example of this would be segmentation. And what happens with segmentation is a type of movement that aids mixing by alternately contracting and relaxing the smooth muscle and segments of the organs. Now, if you look to the photo on your left, it shows you if you had a full stomach. And section A shows mixing movements and segmentation. As you can see, you have your digesting material and it's moving left and right. So you can see that one side is yellow and the other side is blue. And it's moving back and forth. And eventually, when mixing occurs, it'll turn green. Now, for propelling movements move the material in one direction. And propelling movements include peristalsis, which is a ring of contraction that progresses down the tube and propels food particles down the tract. During this time, we also experience receptive relaxation when the muscle wall just ahead of the ring relaxes. So as you see here in the image on the left, it's moving the liquid forward down the tract.